friend Jonathan Miller. He is back in the studio. So look, let's just be honest. How many of you guys at home are fighting your home every single day? It's just not enough space. There's clutter. There's just stuff that just isn't working well for you. This is why we got this guy here. He's here to help us out. So Jonathan, where do we start with all of this?
How many piles of things do you have laying around the house right now that you need to go to, that you're going to come back to, or somebody bought you something? You know, I noticed on my TV stand the other day, there are 2 nutcrackers that did not make it into the box for Christmas.
And April.
I had forgotten, I had not even noticed that they were there, but it was literally, they needed this proper storage place and I hadn't found it yet. So they are now put away because I was sitting there writing this and I thought, oh no, this is bad.
Yeah,
so,
this is bad.
So generally though, the best place to start is your kitchen.
Okay.
Or your laundry room, whichever one is the most, you know, and that's where literally there's so much vertical space that's not used. We have more storage space, like in this kitchen. The builder for this house, it's going on the market soon by Shane Lott. It's phenomenal. The cabinets went right to the ceiling though. So you've got all this extra storage. But this is a tiny galley kitchen in the fan house. So a tiny kitchen is the best place to add extra storage by going to the ceiling.
Okay.
It also makes it look and feel bigger, but you've got places for everything, all of those holiday items, which is why I brought up nutcrackers, things you only pull out a couple times a year for an event. You've got storage up there for them. You've got display space up there for them. And it just adds so much extra. You generally have about 12 to 24 inches above your cabinets that have nothing. Where they
That's a lot of space, John.
It is, and it's a lot of storage space, you know, and if you can't take your cabinets to the ceiling, you can always just get some bins or baskets. You don't want to overload it because you don't want it to look tacky and cluttered, but you can put bins and baskets up there to have extra space for things.
I love that. So we're looking at it here. Now, can we go back to that laundry room? What were you talking about?
Oh, that laundry room is going to be coming up in just a second. So this is a client sent me this picture of her laundry room.
Oh, really?
She did, and she needed a little inspo for this.
Just a little help, yeah.
And you know, a lot of times in a new construction home, they just do the basics. They do this ventilated shelving, and here's what I did for her. I maximized out that space. I was like, you know, that washer and dryer she already has, it can be stacked. It's a $40 kit to stack it.
That's an easy fix, first of all. And something you said, basic. Who wants to hear that their home is basic? Builder basic. No one wants to hear that, right, Jonathan? So you're helping us out. Stacking the washer and dryer, that's a quick and easy, not expensive fix.
And it's a resale value. When you're going to sell your house, people don't realize that laundry rooms and kitchens, people will pay more if they have more storage space. And the laundry room is something we normally don't think about actually adding extra storage to, or really going in and upgrading that space completely. And I mean, you're adding money, so you're putting money in, but you're also going to get that money back because people, they don't want to be in those rooms anyway to work. I mean, it's a workroom, it's an office in a sense. And it's like having all that, knowing that you can put it there, but maximizing it out, it gives you extra storage, especially if you have a lot of things that are just laying around. The mop, the broom gets thrown in the corner. You give it a home. Give it a home, label it, and then it goes and gets put away.
And something we were talking about offline, you were saying kitchens and laundry rooms are one of the things that if you're to sell your home, but people look at, I didn't think of laundry room. Kitchen, for sure, I understand. I didn't think laundry room at first thought.
Kitchen, heart of the home, that's what we all talk about. But they don't, the one thing none of us want to do is laundry canvas. I'm like, we don't want to iron, we don't want to steam, we don't want to even have, because when you're washing laundry, the folding comes next. But if you've got a nice room in there that you can actually go in and do it all, having the right amount of storage is the big thing, because we get all these gadgets. We'll do something coming up about organizing it all, but also at the same time, you got to have a space for it.
Yes. And I love how you said storage, and something we both agreed on, that everything has a home. Everything has, and we don't always have to see it. Hide it, put it away.
You don't need to see that ironing board leaning up against the bedroom wall. It needs to have its own little dedicated space. Same with the broom and the mop. You know they're there. You put them away, then you still use them. You don't put them away and forget they're there. But you know.
Well, you know, some of us here. So talk about this here. What's the connection here?
So Nate Burks' new book, Foundations. This book, people ask me all the time, what can I get that'll just really help me out, that we could work through softly? This book is one of them. This book, he has literally outlined all these spaces. He tells you how to organize your closets by color, how to maximize. He's all about putting the personal taste on everything as well. But it's also being able to find it. And you can see these descriptions, if I can get it to where the light's not.
If you stay still, they'll find you. How about that?
Let's do
there.
You be my model there.
I'm helping you out. There you go. Beautiful.
He tells you exactly how to maximize all of these spaces. And he is a big vertical space use. It's like there's so many times in so many houses, you've got all this vertical space behind doors, up to ceilings. That laundry room I showed you has 9-foot ceilings. There's so much space there that's not used.
Yes, and you're talking about cabinet above the cabinets that we're not even thinking about, 12 to 24 inches. That's a lot of space, John.
That is a lot of space that's up there. That's just literally storage that can be used. It's wasted.
And we can do it. We can do it. So where can they find you, get more information, all of that right here on the screen?
Scan that QR code in the corner, go to my blog. I've got it all detailed out. I even have the closet information in there so you can get organizing one way or another in that closet. We know I love organizing a closet.
All right.